Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Lisa, from Sa Lion family. Yay!
Happy birthday, Lisa, from Canada!
Hi Liz, happy birthday from Dubai. This is Renz. I hope, maging masaya ka sa greetings namin, no? From Philippines, Dubai, dyan sa ibang bansa ng mga friends mo, na iba't iba na tayo sa Barangay Malaya. Ang layo-layo na narating natin, no? Ang layo na narating mo, nasa US ka na, yung iba nasa Dubai, yung iba nasa Canada, at ang layo na rin na narating ng edad natin. Diba? Ilan na tayo? 30 years old na tayo, no? If I'm not mistaken. I hope I'm not. And then, more success, more dollars, especially dapat enjoy lang ang life. We're not getting any younger. Take care of your health. Enjoy your stay there. At hope I can meet you dito sa Manila. Maybe December. Enjoy and waiting for your more TikToks to come. Again, happy birthday. Take care and wish you all the best.
Ciao Bella, auguri, greetings from Rome, Italy. Happy birthday, may stay beautiful as always. More candles to blow. Hope to see you soon. Sana magtagpo tayo sa Pilipinas. And stay young. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Hey Liz! Happy birthday! And I know that mas matanda ka sa akin, no? You're turning 50 years old this month already. Anyway, I miss you and I wish to see you soon. Happy birthday here from your friend in the Philippines from Malaya Elementary School, batch 1986. Have a blast, Liz. I wish you all the best.
Hello, Ate Lisa.
Happy birthday. I hope you're having a wonderful birthday today.
And we want to greet you a happy 50th birthday.
Yes.
Enjoy! Greetings from San Francisco Province, USA.
생일 축하해요. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ate Lisa. Happy birthday from Israel.
Hi Lisa, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. See you. Love you. Bye.
Hi sis, happy 50th birthday. Wow, golden years na, hindi halata sis, looking young pa rin. Wishing you all the best. Good health, more birthdays to come, at syempre more blessings, Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan, sis. Happy birthday ulit. At syempre pala, stay pretty and sexy.
Happy birthday, Lisa.
Hi Lisa, happy birthday! Wish you all the best! Stay sweet and guapa! I love you! Wow!
Hi Lisa, happy birthday. Hope you have many more birthdays to come. Good health and more happiness. From me and from all our classmates at Malaya, we love you very much. Happy birthday.
Hi Lisa, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. May you look like a queen, big girl. Okay, love ya, miss ya. See you again.
Birthday, Lisa. May you have more birthdays to come.
Welcome to the club, Lisa. Happy golden year. Happy birthday from Florida with love. Love ya. Happy birthday.
Hi Lisa, this is your classmate Frederick. I just want to greet you happy birthday. May you have more years to celebrate your birthday. I am here at the moment at Lourdes, France. Know that I prayed for you and for your family. May you have many more years to celebrate your birthday. You're always in my prayers. Hopefully I could visit you soon and find time really to catch up with things. God bless. Take it easy. God bless.